Good morning, everybody in YouTube land. So, as you know it, fall is here again. And actually, winter's not too far away. So, one of the biggest things on the motorcycle to check, especially in the winter, is to check the air pressure on your motorcycle tires because just a temperature drop overnight actually will drop your air pressure. And you do that times a few nights, and you can have a really low tire. So when your tires are low, it can actually be pretty darn dangerous. A lot of people don't realize it, but you're running low air pressure, especially if you are tubeless, then you can actually debead off the rim. Running low air pressure can cause premature wear of your tire that you normally wouldn't have if you have the correct pressure. Also, the decrease in air pressure can cause your bike not to handle good, so it's not safe to run with low air in your tires. So that's why I'm going to check my air this morning to make sure it's all good. I'm sure they're low because the bike is set for a week, but we'll see how much it has went down in a week of just sitting and the cool temperatures at night. Right now, the temperatures at night here in Arizona have been dropping down into 50s to lower 50s. So we got nights coming up here pretty soon, probably going to be in the 40s, around 45 to 49. So it's a good idea to keep your air pressure checked. That's where the Airmoto pump comes in handy. I keep this thing, I take it everywhere. I use it for airing up and airing down. Whenever I go out on the trail, I will air down. This thing has an air down button right there. I can push that button, deflate my tires. And then when I get back onto the paved road, all I have to do is have my preset pressure in here, which is 22 for paved roads. I will air the tires back up and I'm good to go. And then also every time, if my bike has sat for a few days, I definitely want to check it. It's good to check your tires once every 2 weeks. I usually check mine just every ride. It's not hard to do, especially with this Airmoto pump. Just to be safe, make sure I'm aired up and ready to go. So let's check the air on this CRF 300L after it's set a week and see how low the tires are. Okay, so we will check the front tire first. I just screw my hose in this Airmoto pump, turn it on. I have it set to 22. So all we got to do is put it on here. If it's low, hit this button. It's going to air it up and then stop at 22 PSI. So I brought it up here. You can see after sitting for a week, we're at 17.5 PSI, and that's because of the fall weather, the temperature going up in the 80s during the day and then dropping down to 50 at night. That's what will decrease your tire pressure. So we want to go ahead and top this thing back off at 22. Just hit my button. This way my tire's aired up to 22. I'm ready to go on a long paved road ride. And then when I get to the dirt where I'm going, it's easy just to air this thing down. And I usually air down 14 to 15 PSI. And the cool part about the Airmoto pump is we have this deflate button, which no other pump that I've tested has that. And I've tested several of these. Hit the button and just air it down, that simple. And then we look at our reading. See, we're down to 20 already right there. I want to air it back up. But it's just that simple. Another cool thing about this Airmoto pump is if we're airing this down or airing the tire up and it's dark outside, it has this LED light right here on top. And the cool part about the LED light is it's aimed right toward where you're working. That's what you want. And we just hold this button down on top, turns on our LED light, and we can actually see what we're doing. Hold it back down, turns it off. Now this is also rechargeable by USB-C, so just plug it into USB-C and you can charge this thing back up and you're good to go. Okay, my rear tire is not as bad, 18.5, but still I want it at 22. And like I said, this will make your bike handle better on the paved roads and make your tires last a lot longer if you keep them with the correct pressure. All right, guys, there you go. Thanks to Airmoto, we're all aired up and ready for our ride. You can use this on your street bike. You can use it on ATVs, UTVs, cars, pickup trucks. It doesn't matter. The Airmoto pump has got you covered. Now, the good part is I'm going to have a drawing. I've teamed up with Airmoto. We're going to give away 2 of these for the month of November. And what we're going to do is do a drawing on November 30th. Today is November 1st. That's when this video comes out. The video comes out for the winners on November 30th. And I will announce who is the winner. So to win this, all you have to do is make sure you click the thumbs up that you you are a subscriber. If you're not a subscriber, click the subscribe below, and also comment below Airmoto. If you don't comment Airmoto, if you're not a subscriber and you don't click the thumbs up, you can't win. So it's just going to be a random drawing as far as who wins. I'm going to scroll through every one of them, and there'll be 2 different winners. Airmoto will ship these out to whoever wins. Don't forget, you must be a subscriber. You must click the thumbs up. You must comment Airmoto below. Also, share this if you would to any other platforms. And if you are not a lucky winner, you can purchase one of these. Just check out Airmoto's link below in the description. I have the link and all the information about this. Thank you all for watching Woodzman Adventures. Click that thumbs up, hit the subscribe button, hit the bell icon so you'll be notified when I put out a new video, and we'll catch you all in the next adventure. Right on.